Hello friends, how are you all? Today's video is going to be really very interesting for all of you. Why? Because we are going to discuss about some negative things today. Yes, my friends, every time we talk about positive things, powerful things, motivational things and all to get success, growth and so many things in the life. But today we're going to talk about negative things. But these negative things are going to help you in your life. How? To know that, I would really request you to please watch the video till end to get the best out of it. So stay tuned. Welcome to Mindiology, a platform for skills, lifestyle and career development. I'm your friend Deepak from Team Mindiology. So friends, like we've discussed, we're going to talk about some negative things. So these negative things are basically those hurdles in the way of success in our life which are always there. So we need to know how to remove them. So my friends, it's really important to identify and understand that what are the hurdles and the obstacles in the way of success in our life. Because till the time we don't know what are these things, we're not able to remove them from our life. This video is all about today. Okay, so let's discuss. So the first thing is, I'll start from Monday. I just give an example as Monday like we usually say, but it could be any day. The main thing is that we are going to, we really delay the things, you know, that I'll do it from Monday, I'll do it from Saturday, I'll do it from Sunday. We need to stop doing that if you want the success in our lives. Stop delaying it and do the things at the same time. The second thing is, it's not my fault. It's like passing on the buck on somebody else. So my friends, we always do that if we do any mistake, if we do something wrong, it's the tendency that we pass on the things to somebody else, that, oh, it's not my fault, I wasn't aware about it, I didn't know about it, and then we want to pass on to somebody else instead of graciously, instead of honestly accepting that. So my friends, we need to stop doing that if we want the success. The third thing is, I cannot do it. You know, again, in this thing, we undermine the ability of what we have. We want to just make an excuse that, sorry, I can't do it. Because at the back of our mind, we have a fear that what if this thing does not get successfully done? What if this thing gets wrong? So we have this fear in our mind, which stops us to doing the things, and we say, sorry, we cannot do it. So we need to get out from this fear and start doing the things. Then you have another thing which says, it's not fair. That's also one of the common things which we always do. We say, no, it's not fair. Or again, it's an excuse which we give in the order to avoid any kind of hard work or the things which we want to do. We just simply say, no, it's not fair. If the things are not getting into our favor, we say, oh, it's not fair. Instead of understanding the mistakes and redoing the things, we simply say, no, it's not fair. It's not fair with me. So we need to stop doing this, my friends. Then you have another thing which says, I don't have time. This is one of the most common things which you hear for almost everybody in today's life. Everyone say, I don't have time, I don't have time. Eventually they have time, but they just don't know how to utilize it. I have said this time and again in lots of my videos, and again I would repeat this thing again, that my friends, please remember, everyone has got 24 hours in their day. But there are people who can do multiple things or even so many things in the 24 hours, and there are people who cannot do the minimalistic stuff also in that 24 hours. So it's all about how you utilize and manage your time. So we need to know that. Then you have another thing which is too common, that I'm offended. In today's world, we have become so emotionally vulnerable that the smallest of the things can offend us. You know, we have become a kind of a delicate darling, and then that any smallest of the things can hurt us. We say often that, you know, I'm hurt, I'm offended and all that. We need to stop doing that. Please stop acting like a football in somebody else's hands. Please don't dance on the tunes of somebody else's thing. Be emotional intelligent, control your emotions, be strong and do your stuff. Okay, then you have another thing that he or she got lucky. You know, we often say that, oh, he's got lucky that he got these marks, or she got lucky she got this job. But we don't understand the hard work and the sincerity and the efforts behind the work which those people have done. So we stop doing that. Please don't give excuses to avoid the efforts and the hard work. Don't do that. It's not fair, or it's not good, I would say. Then you have another thing, which is, I'm too tired. Many times we want to do the things and then we say, no, I'm very tired, I can't do it, I don't want to do that. So we kind of we become too lazy at times, and then we say, oh my god, our work is not getting done, I'm not getting this and that. But we don't understand that we are showing unnecessary laziness. We need to stop do that and get on with the life and do the work. Then last but not the least is, it's easy for you to say. My friends, we always say these things again to pass on to the excuse, oh my god, it's easy for you to say. Without putting our efforts, without even trying something, we make it so difficult, like climbing on the Mount Everest. We say that no, it's very difficult. We cannot do that. You're just saying that just for the heck of saying it. But in reality, we don't even want to try it and just make a comment and passing on the judgment on that. We need to stop doing that. We first need to put our efforts and try, and then say something. So we need to understand these things. So let's quickly summarize. So the first thing is, I'll start on Monday. Like, we're delaying it. We don't need to do that. Then the second thing is, it's not my fault. Then you have, I cannot do it. Then it's not fair. Then you have, I don't have time. Then another thing is, I'm being offended, or I am offended. Then you have, he or she got lucky. Then the next thing is, I'm too tired. And the last is, it's easy for you to say. So my friends, I hope you understood and identified these things, and you will surely work upon that to remove and erase this from your life forever to get the success. So if you've liked this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the more updates like this. And if you would like us to make any video on your choice of topic, we would love to do that. So with all these things, I shall take your leave. I wish you a very, very good day.